Have a problem that is like a set problem, really. May be super easy, but then again, I've said that about a lot of problems so far, and spent a lot of time figuring them out. So, but this problem is called missing numbers, and is classified by them as a search algorithm. So, basically, they give you two lists, though. A and B is a permutation of A, but for some reason some of the numbers were left out of the list A, and you have to find the missing numbers. So their points here are, if a number occurs more than once in the list, you have to make sure that the number of times it occurs is the same in both lists. Otherwise, it's considered a missing number. And then you have to print out all the missing numbers in ascending order, and only print them once, even if it's missing multiple times. So, and the difference between max and min numbers is less than or equal to 100. So it doesn't sound that complicated. Just figured it'd be safer to pick something that shouldn't take long. Let's see. So, I'm not quite sure why they give us this. The difference between the min and max is less than or equal to 100. Just kind of seems pointless. I don't know. Maybe it'll crop up later. So, give you 4 lines, size of the first list in the list, size of the second list in the list. Easy. Yeah. Or it could be equal to, but yeah. Cool. It's like, solve it. So we need to read in size. At a what code? Wow. I don't know what that.
Law code's also kind of annoying to work in at first. Ken has standard items.
Why don't they teach us in our classes? This is what really matters. This is what industry uses.
Everything else is my favorite. It's awesome things or photos.
I can't figure out what the HAI. Hey, what? I know, but what's the point of it though? Really?
Yeah,
it's so stupid.
Vin your loop up your var until both say var and 10.
Alright, cool. That was a good laugh. Should take one day to do it in a really stupid language like that though.
If we do it in Python, it would be really simple.
Python.
You import both
Racket?
of the lists, and then you sort them, and then you take the difference.
Yeah.
Like you take the difference in their lengths, and then you just print off the last few numbers.
Yeah.
Well,
I haven't heard of racket before.
But you have to clip off extras.
Yeah, that's
Actually, that wouldn't work. Because say if you have 3 of a number and you're missing 1, but it's not at the end of the list, you would end up putting off something you don't need, and you wouldn't print one that you do.
Yeah. Alright. That was a lot of code for input, right, Adam? And I bet Java would be better, right? Yeah. Should switch to F#. So, Alright, the conditions again. Yeah, this is like just screaming sets at me.
Yeah.
Like,
You take the longer of the two lists and just like for each of the elements in the short list or in the long list, convert the long list to a set.
yeah.
There you go.
Shh, it's not that simple, Adam. Deicher's over.
They're gonna sort it so there's the whole other keyword you use.
Yeah.
Can you use Poisson distribution?
Okay, so
It's always gonna be smaller.
well,
So,
maybe you just you don't have to compare it. You just remove from what list comes first? A, yeah. So we'll just remove from A. I don't know why I named it int. There. So I had it right to begin with. Yeah, so we're gonna loop through the
Wait, no. You do elements in A remove from the element.
you do it. Switch my constantly open Python.
you need to remove the first element.
Yeah, you don't want to remove. Well, I think it has another argument you can do though. You only want to remove one at a time. Like if you just do remove, it'll remove them all. But I think you can pass that in. Like if you have a, set. Dang it! I did that as a. I accidentally made it like a tuple, but. Alright, so yeah, with Python you can remove difference.
Could you?
I don't know why they said that B is a permutation of A. So wouldn't B have elements that A is missing? If it said A is missing elements.
Yeah, that's what
No,
it's saying.
but
Some numbers were left out of A. Can you
Huh?
find missing numbers?
The elements got lost later on.
okay, all right. So yeah, that's all right.
A and B
Yeah.
technically had the same
So-
elements, and A is missing elements.
It's like A is really you have like this is B, and A could be, it could be something like that. I don't know. Or no.
There wouldn't be elements in
Wouldn't
A
be
that
outside.
are not in B.
Yeah, pretend like those are touching. Like it could be something like that. So really we need to be looping through elements in A, not B. But B, A, difference B, I think, yeah. So S dot difference
Yeah, I was gonna say it should be.
S2.
But does that work with lists that have copies?
Yeah, oh well, yeah, that's it goes back to the problem of what about the ones that about multiples.
I would say does it? Could you try?
I don't know, just do what the Python
If you put 2 3s in S instead of only 1 3, and then you do difference again.
Well, the thing is, we're using sets for the list here, so you can't do that. So I'll have to do, and there's not like a difference thing for that, so I'll have to do,
Wait, it doesn't matter if they're how many you're missing. It's just that if they're missing, you only print it once if there are multiples. Print each number missing.
Yeah. The thing is, you have to treat the inputs as lists, not sets. So it's
What
half of it because we have to make sure that the frequency of that number in both of them is the same.
Yeah. I guess it would be right. You go. What was the thing like where you could there's like if you try to remove something from a list in Python, like that's not there, it's like 6, gives you an error, but there's something you can do where it doesn't yell at you. Oops. It's like another argument or something, yeah. I thought there was. So I think, I don't know, I thought you had brought up one day. Huh?
Their index code.
Yeah, I think that does. It's just index, but it's like another error. So you can just do the typical try and accept thing. That's, you know, extremely good practice. Very good practice. You should always just use try accept. You should not even like say try accept value error. You should just do accept for it to catch anything. Doesn't matter what it is. But yeah, so I want to see if there's like if you can do remove like if I add another 5 to the list, so now S has 2 5s, and I only want to remove the first occurrence. Yes, see, you can't do that. So yeah, you'd have to do index of then. Pop. Yeah, that just removes the one. No, the parameter is the index, so it can do that. So try b.remove, not b.remove, b.pop, be index of element, and then then just continue. What was the output though? Oh yeah, the missing numbers. Okay. So it's there. Was it really just removing those and that's it? This is stupid. So that last bit, we'll print out the rest of it. Oh, yeah, I'll have to. It's not just that. Well, it's out of order. What? That's right, yeah. What is this, Lisp?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
There's plenty of windows for
Oh, yeah. There we go. 15 minutes record. No, I'm just kidding. It's not? Sure about that? Why not? Huh? Because you're right.
No, because it needs to be, if you have like 1 and then 1, 1, 1, 1, what does it print? As your lists, it'll print 1, 1, 1. It just needs to print 1, 1.
It needs to print a single one.
All right. List A is
1.
1. B is 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah, it should just print a single
So
one.
would
It will not print a single one, it will print multiple ones.
It'll print 3.
No, it's going to print.
yeah, it would print. It would print 3.
It'll print 3 ones.
So
It needs to just print one.
just
Saving to make that a set. Can you do that?
yeah. Easy, man, easy. You see, you add more stuff onto it. That's all you gotta do, man. Yeah. All right, let's try it now. And after that works, not if what?
Nope, it
Come on,
actually
Adam.
failed on more cases than last time.
Huh.
Now you need to sort after the set. The set isn't a sorted instruction. You sort a set.
I think so. No.
Parentheses.
We'll see. Yeah.
Well, that works.
Submit like 20 times for the easiest problem. Yeah.
Now that test case 4 is it takes
It's
a
a big
while.
one.
Another new
Pretty sure
test.
Python uses quicksort underlying for everything though. So.
I think so.
Ah. That's alright. Hmm.
Probably the sort that's taking so long.
Probably.
There shouldn't be sorting for a small set.
Unless it's
Yeah.
100 values.
There's also the fact that it has to convert it to a set. Hmm.
Where's the algorithm for more efficient sort? Because I think quick sort.
Oh, okay. More efficient sort. All right.
No, I was just saying, doesn't quick sort mess up? Like, it's actually really, it's got a bad worst case on really large sets.
I mean,
It does, but I don't think that
it does, but
quick sort.
you sure?
Yeah,
Tim
Use
sort.
Tim sort.
Huh.
A hybrid of merge and insertion sort.
Okay. Well, let's try using quicksort.
Pretty sure I was.
Got it. Actually, in
Should be an algorithm, shouldn't it?
oh no, this is a separate project.
Gotcha. This guy actually using Visual Studio.
It's Visual
Or
Studio
Visual
Code.
Studio Code.
The only good thing that came out of Microsoft.
What the Halo series, man. Come on.
I mean, Microsoft didn't like invent Halo. They just made the Xbox. Let's see. Algorithms, not streams. What? Somewhere in here. No? Well, I've got a quicksort written somewhere. At least in one file, if not multiple. I still didn't hear. I don't know.
Said next episode of your mom.
All right. Well, we'll just pull it off the internet.
Was that a
Oh wait, no, I remember what it was. I wrote it for a class actually. Yeah, for our coupling thing. So I've got it on Pastebin
Basically, what if you use Ghostman?
because I'm a hipster. Yeah. Yeah, I actually didn't even know about that till like, well, I didn't know what it was until like 2 weeks ago. I don't even remember what I used to log in. Probably I also have insertion sort if we want to try that. Is it plagiarism if it's your own code?
But in an actual
It might also help if I.
It might help if you used it. But does your quick sort apply to sets?
What's the person?
Maybe. Let's just run and find out. Nope.
Nice try. Set does not support indexing. So can you do quick sort list set? Wait, no, just do quick sort. Wait, no, but you have to sort the.
You have to convert it to a set first. Wait, no. Yeah, we'll just convert it.
Convert a sorted list to a set. Would it not be sorted in the list to a set?
This is awful, man. He's not.
It's never gonna
It's not.
pay his for it.
The time it takes to convert it between them, it's too much.
It's worse than before. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
There's got to be something you can do for a list to just peel off extras that is faster than converting it to a set. Because
Could do. What I could do is make a new, new set or a new list or something. Call it unique or something, and then as I'm popping them, I don't know. Does pop return it in Python or not?
Yes,
I don't know.
Python
Okay.
does return it pop.
Yeah.
You just have
You
to-
know, when I was in data structures, I asked my teacher, not going to name any names, but why we're not returning anything for pop, and he was like, "Why would you do that?" And I'm like,
See, you get away with
you
it.
don't do it, and like some languages have that in their library don't, but you should.
Like you don't just like get rid
Yeah.
of that information if you want to use it for something that's really helpful.
Yeah. So I'll just take that and then say if e not in unique appendee, and then we can quick sort.
Quick sort the list set.
Make sure I get rid of them out. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Picked up some extras.
Why would you just go ahead and add everything you want off? Because if there's not a copy of it, then so if there's not two occurrences in T, then
But yeah, that doesn't work. Doesn't work with this
Yeah.
because it's actually in there, but we don't know how many are in there at that point.
Well, why did we pick up the 207, 208, 203?
Yeah, it does.
So why wouldn't those be in there? 'Cause this is your first set. And that's A. This is B. So it's like
you can do that only on the after.
oh, it's like those aren't missing because it's the same amount. Yeah, I see. Can always do I think you can use count on these lists too, and just compare the number of occurrences straight away. So, but thing is, when we're removing them, that's gonna throw it off.
You can run another for B and pop all of them
Yeah, but you could do. Jeez. Alright. This is what we had when it was just failing the first time, using this built-in sorting and set. Did you write the same thing in something else in Java, Adam? I was gonna say, I wonder if it would pass in something else. So I think it's just a Python speed of, reads them in, stores them in a list, and then puts them that. Actually, I can save it from doing that. You don't have to have it in a list. Map just returns a map, which is like a iterable in Python. So, thing is, you do need to store B since I'm doing the b.pop. It's not going to run any faster though, not much. Yeah. See, what was I wonder if it tells what time, like how much time it has to run. It's like still working on the input. You use like an array list. Does that not have a pop method?
When you use pop, instead of trying to join the thing on a map, could you not just append that element to an array? And then
I
just
could
use that?
Actually what I
Like just append it to an array and then
yeah, well, that's the items I'm throwing away. You're printing out what's left.
I'm just trying to think of a faster way of,
Yeah, this join thing down here.
because I don't know
Let me say
I don't think join would be expensive, but I'm wondering if map would be.
Oh, wait, that's dumb. Why not just make them strings to begin with?
What is that?
How much you want to bet? Still doesn't work. See how much time is that? Fail. Yeah. Do what? See their input. Yeah.
Yeah, it has 1 million.
It's not much at all. Oh, it's not gonna let me. It's not gonna let me.
No.
Alright, well, we know why they provide it. Yeah.
It's only supposed to print 6.
Yeah.
So it's not the output itself that is causing that one to time out. Could the input be what's causing
This?
the timeout?
I don't think so. I don't even need this, so that or M. Let's throw those away. Let's see, what else could I do to make it faster? I don't need to do map on that. If I'm gonna have it be a string, it's already in string. So you just do split, and that's it. Of course, it stores it in a list, but still. So many submissions at this point.
If that is the reason why it times out.
I don't think it's gonna work. Map is pretty fast in Python because it uses generators. Yeah, that's right.
I say we move to C++.
Well, we just
Try it.
need to see.
Thing is doing C++, I'm gonna have to spend a lot of time referring to the documentation for
Why not use C++ 14 where you can use auto?
right, fine. We'll do closure if you say so. Alright. What is this indentation?
What?
My Python is probably messing it up.
Maybe.
Of course you can't block comment.
Why not just do
Yeah, this wasn't this
/*
one.
star?
Because that's too easy, Kyle. Yeah.
Also, would you be reading your count, your octafloor up there incorrectly as well?
No. Wouldn't. Thank you for saying octafloor.
I actually
I know.
hashtag was
But you're
okay,
trying, that's
and
what
I said
matters.
say pound instead of
So it's like, what, C++ array list or something? I think it's just list. Yeah. It's like every time I...
use I think vector
Oh, yeah.
is what has the pop function on it.
And yeah, they've got vector. So... Yeah, it doesn't matter with C++, so...
Well, I mean, with strings, you would need it specifically to have quotes on it. But there's no implicit string conversion.
Yeah, but I mean, to C out in C++, it doesn't matter. See, in like C++, you can do the equivalent of like the whole split thing and all that, but it's kind of ugly looking. Like Ben used it last year with like a for each and auto thing or something. I don't know, but we'll just do.
I don't think you need to have that sign of variable if you use it.
Yeah, I've got to store this though. Like, since you have to read it in, like cin x, then push back x. Yeah. Doop doop doop. where we do loop through the elements in A, so yeah. And then didn't include set. There's a set in C++. Like I said, I'm sure it's just so we'll make a set. Yeah. Then now is the like converting the index of stuff to this. So what does C++ vector have? It has like find, doesn't it? I think it returns like an iterator. I don't know. Oh yeah, there's the pop stuff. Yeah. Find. We've got to. We don't have to store it. So if you just do like erase, maybe that'll do what we need it to. We only need it to remove the first occurrence it finds of a certain element. Huh? You good? With the same like solution though. But does it yell at you if you give it one that's not valid? No exception or anything. I'm like looking for the equivalent for removing, the first occurrence in a vector. Yeah. But I didn't know if it yells at you or not for trying to remove something that's not there. So it says no exception are thrown. So yeah. But it erases out of position, so we still have to do like searching for it basically. I thought there was a find thing on vector. There's not, no. Yeah. Well, I guess we'll have to say, just do a plain old search thing. So what that would be for auto. B dot begin. Okay, so if like I said, I'm not a fan of C++. It's gonna be hard for me to even get the syntax in it here. Huh? Yeah. I think that's what I need to do. Not quite sure if that's equal to AI, yeah. Then B dot erase it. Yeah. Erase it.
This is
A nightmare, yeah.
yeah, because you're doing.
It's Jacob's idea.
You're doing one.
Blame him.
He just said the same thing.
Let's say the worst case scenario, that's a total of 1 trillion calculations.
Yeah, but I need to break out of it after it finds it though.
have an empty list.
Oh man.
Empty list.
So now I need to sort. Huh? The break? We only want to remove the first occurrence of it. Yeah.
But
Now I've got to figure out how to sort that vector. Is it algorithms sorted?
It's in the.
yeah, because of the break, it would only do the first.
Yeah.
You gotta include algorithms.
Yeah, they've got it in there, but you can just pass a vector to that, I guess.
Yeah.
You want to pass it to set.
Well,
Oh yeah, I want to
you wouldn't have to sort it. Well,
convert this to a set.
You wouldn't have to convert it to a set after that. Because the way you've got it set up, say for example, you've got a list of numbers and you've got 3 numbers in a row, like say 206. The first time it goes to 206, it's going to chop 1 206 off, and then it's going to break. When it gets to that second 206, it's going to iterate back over and chop the first 206 off, and then break. So it will only leave 1 left.
Alright, so you're saying that I just need to sort it and output it then.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm not going to refer to the documentation. I'm going to assume that what I write is correct and then find out it's not. So,
At least I really hope what I just said is true. I'm pretty sure.
You can do it for each.
can?
No,
Oh, yeah. I know. Wow. Why? What the heck? Yeah.
I colon
Yeah.
vector.
Oh, man. Okay. Thing is that does it actually make I into a iterator or an int? Int? Alright, cool. Oh, I need to sort it though.
It's just sort.
Sort.
And it returns void, so it's good outside of the loop.
Okay. Oh, it like actually changes the vector. Okay.
I think you need to pass in b.begin, b.end.
That. Fail. I just want to know. I was gonna say I just want to know if the code works.
And you got an error where
Yeah, you got an error for something you got higher.
I don't think you can declare like that.
No. What's wrong with it?
Because you're declaring vector in A, vector in B, it just needs to be vector A, comma B.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah. Never mind. Yeah, that was dumb.
Because it, yeah, it shows.
Yeah. There's that whole like pointer thing too, where you can screw up. So,
Yeah.
all right. New error.
You've got a capital.
Yeah. I just wanted to see if you catch
I
it.
think it's gonna yell at you about that I colon B. It didn't.
Ha.
Magically works.
No, let's see how it does against the others.
Ha.
Does it even complete?
Ha.
Terminated due to timeout.
Number 2 is the set. Where there's multiple routes.
Yeah. You do need it to be in a set. First, you can do. You say set. You know, int u or something equals. You can do that.
I don't think that returns anything.
No? I don't know.
Sort.
Yeah, I keep forgetting that. Well, I guess sort would work on the set, wouldn't it? In C++, maybe. Sure. I don't think it. No.
That is a really fancy way of saying no.
Okay.
No.
Well,
Those would be like
yeah. Huh? Wait, why don't I just, I could have done this in the Python one too. Instead of converting it to a set, we just, so we have a result there. You can just do result dot. But then you have the multiples issue. Yeah. Do result add. I think it's add. Yeah, we want the value. So, and then oh, it just takes this long to upload. There's no way it could possibly work.
It's not even gonna get through like the second one.
Something's wrong. 1 million inputs though. It's just HackerRank, man. I knew we should have used Dijkstra's algorithm. Perfect context. You prefer A star?
It's best for search all the way.
I prefer Unity nav meshes. Yeah, wow, I'm surprised it's actually just still trying this.
That just seems like a weird version of A-Star.
I don't think we're gonna get past that fourth one. Check out the discussions. Create an array with size 10,001. It wasn't 1 million, it was 10,000. Okay.
No, that's what the number said on the input.
Hmm.
Well, the maximum value is 10,000.
Yeah.
So you can only have 10,000 different numbers, but
No, we can
your
have
list can be 10 million more.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a little slow in the uptick, but I get it.
X max minus X. I don't see all that's in it.
It's really inefficient algorithm.
Yeah, so if an array of size 100 is enough, it shouldn't be slowing it down that much doing the stuff we were doing in Python and like, you know, that you did it in Java. That's weird. Java. Yeah, read it in. What? This doesn't even make sense.
You do make any sense.
So they're looping through. They made one of size 201, and like, I don't get
Oh, 'cause it's
this.
X max and X min are within 101 of each other.
Yeah.
And so their distance is, I assume, the first minus the second. And so the maximum that could be is 200.
Yeah.
But they're setting that as like a placeholder. Oh, because it's just arbitrary distance. They double it. So they're always positive. Makes sense. It's just stupid.
I'm glad it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't see like it's just either
See, their pivot, like in our
something,
example,
man.
would be like 200.
yeah.
So if its next value is 100, it's 200 minus 100, which is 100. And so that's their index, and the result, 100 plus 100, is 200, so it'd be minus minus. But if it was like 200 minus, or 100 minus 200, it would be negative 100. So they need 100 plus that, so that they don't go non-zero.
But look at this output thing though.
That's just the output. That's terrible.
Yeah. It's like the inner for loop doesn't make sense to me, because they're looping through, so like, you know, for that, the number of times of that current distance thing or whatever, or counter.
I don't know how that works.
I don't know. That's strange. Yeah.
You can do it on Python.
I mean, this.
Work correctly.
Yeah. There's like all that, you know, large clusters of code though. We they're just gonna go away in Python. It's so refreshing to do that. But they stored it as int, so I do have to do that whole oh jeez.
It'd be really interesting to see what that input is on the profile of Python to see what's actually slow in Python.
They actually closed their scanner. Wow.
And Python already needs 200 things.
Yeah. Dynamic memory, man. Well, alright. So then huh. Is that if I do need to access it, so that'll go ahead and create the space for me.
There used to be 0.
Yeah, just do an array of zeros.
Does it? Well, they didn't.
Java
Okay.
initializes it 0. So.
Hmm.
If you do nuns, you can't
Nuns.
increment nuns.
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 This ain't no Catholic school.
Like an array of nuns,
Oh, they need to add it? Yeah, I know.
No, I'm pretty sure you can run it minus 500. What?
No, it's never been a thing.
There's plus plus.
No. Only plus and minus equals.
I guess they needed C++ so much. I'm not gonna bring up the most useful things in C++.
Oh, shots fired. Good thing Ben or Connor aren't here.
Start like foaming at the mouth.
Hey, you watch the video later and start sending us a bunch of hate mail.
Just flooded with comments of I hate you, but this is dumb.
It is so awful. So you could just say
You know what else is so
okay, sure. Need to do, yeah, so it's like print automatically does a new line, so if you don't want it to do that, you just tell it what to end with, so it'll end with spaces. See, that's what I was thinking. I was like, that's gonna output a bunch of stuff, like the same stuff, and it's not. I didn't think it would all be the same
A
thing.
bunch of 103s, a couple 104s, and then more 103s.
Hold on. I'm gonna try it just there. I should have done this from the beginning. Try just their solution. Yeah, see, there's.
But it's Java.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
You don't want to print I, you want to print the index of what you're currently at. Because I covers the index.
Index of I, or index.
Oh, I'll just do.
Just enumerate it.
Yeah. It's exactly right. I don't know how that's. I don't get that solution. I
Like,
just.
interior forward.
Huh?
You're missing the interior forward.
Yeah, I didn't think I needed it though.
It's pretty important.
Is it? Alright, fine. I'm gonna do it exactly like they had it then. Yeah, I know. This is the last thing I'm gonna do. For I in range. Length of result. Just just to be exact. For J. Oh no. Can't he, in range.
Enumeration is the same thing. Because they have an index of all that stuff.
Alright. If it doesn't work this time, it's not my fault. Huh?
Compiler error.
No, that's. What?
You could run.
Compiler error?
You could say wrong.
Yeah, I know. Did, forgot to take that out.
But no, it's
It's.
because the second for was
Ha.
Java.
I got it.
Well, now
Got
it's
it.
better.
What? Yeah. That was weird.
Yo.
Oh.
It completed it though. It finished. That's a victory in my book.
Yeah. We did it.
We got a 3 out of 5, 60% everyone.
Illuminati confirmed.
Hey, that's a passing grade, man. In whose eyes?
Gavin.
Schools.
I don't know. I give up. No. That's why you don't, have 10 something whatever million input.
Don't give up. Just leave it as a challenge that we lose.
Yes, if you can get this figured out, all of these passing, Adam will give you all of his. I'm just kidding. No.